What's up, guys? I hope we're on the same page as yesterday. Remember, yesterday I took a trade on USDJPY and I was currently in profit. And I'm gonna show you how much I made on that trade on its own. Right now, you can kind of see a bit of history, which is my over trading style, I guess. So right now, I'm gonna show you guys the trade that I took yesterday, and I'll tell you why that what happened, right? Because yesterday was also news that I wasn't aware about. I was aware, but I didn't know if it will affect me like that. And I tend to forget that it was NFP week, which is today's NFP because today is Friday, and so will I be trading NFP? Probably not. I'm a gambler though. It's possible that I might, I might, and I'm gonna check, make a setup on gold and see what happens, and then maybe I don't know. But the way that GPP is moving, because I'm currently in a trade on GPP USD, the way it's moving, it's moving with the trend, which is we're on a bullish on GPP USD, and I was glad on USD JPY. I just had to follow my plan and see what happens. So let me just, if you can, please subscribe. It's not that lazy. USD JPY. I made 71 rand. And then today, this morning, I lost 21 rand on Bitcoin. I thought it was going to reach. I thought Bitcoin was going to reject and go on the downside, but clearly I was wrong. It just printed fat candles. Right now it's retracing back. I entered here, and then before it took me out, I got out because my stop loss was 30. I think it was 50 something, but I like no. I can kind of see the candles that were printing were kind of fat, so I like nope. Let me just get out. And then on USD JPY, which is the trade that I took, we spiked down, but I didn't close because my stop loss was around here when I showed you guys. But like, let me just not move against the trend because we haven't hit the support line yet. So I know for a fact that USD JPY will eventually go on the upside, which is cool. And I understood that method, and then I had to just follow the plan. But the reason you can see the adjustments here is because I went outside with my friends, and then when the trade was retracing back, because I didn't put take profit, so because I was also thinking it might break above this, so let me just let it run and then see what happens. So I was kind of say, okay, when I came back, market was actually going down. Yeah, it was going down, and then I got out from here. That's it. Yeah, I got out from here with that 71 rand, which was cool with me. It was not cool with me, but you have to accept what you get in the markets, because if I would have continued held, the market would just deep on me. So I wish also I was home around that time, because I would have taken the sell too, because this is an indication also, like once the market prints a lower high and then it starts to consolidate, it's gonna dump. But it's cool. Right now I'm in a current trade on GBP USD. As you can see, take notice, there's a difference. This is a demo account, this is a real account. So, and then on my demo account, I'm in the same trade as my real account, but it's just that on my demo account, it's like sometimes I open a position and think that like, okay, I opened also on the real one, because on my phone I'm always on the demo one and not the real one. But now I'm kind of adjusting to it, which is I have to trade them both at the same time. So now this is our next support, this one, and you can kind of see this candle. That's our target for today. Make money or you're gonna suffer. So you can kind of see the take profit, but obviously it's gonna be below this low before it hits, but before 12 though. I don't know what is gonna happen during the news, but if the market moves the way it moves, I'm gonna put my stop loss on break even like this. which is I'm gonna be up 8 rand for this trade, and then let the other one run for the whole entire day. Even if the news come, I know like I'm on break even. It doesn't matter. I'm not in a loss. As long as I'm not in the losses, it's cool. And this week, which is we are actually down bad, but it's cool. It's not a bad thing. So as you can see, I've showed you guys the trade that I was on Bitcoin, on USDJPY, and then I showed you guys the trade that I've lost on Bitcoin. But now I'm waiting for a retracement all the way down. But I will only trade Bitcoin when I make like 400 here. My final profit has to be 400, and I'm gonna manage 2 accounts, which is now I will have 2 accounts, the one for Bitcoin and gold. And gold has been like moving weird, my boy. After it previously made that high, it's been moving weird, poison. But it's cool. It's possible that like gold might hear me out. It's possible that gold might it's possible that gold might do something like this. Boom, boom, boom. Remember, there's a lot of draws on liquidity on the downside, so we have to always be open about that. So other than that, it's cool. Let me show. It's my real transparency, and I'm not a good trader. Remember, I'm not profitable. Don't get your hopes up and think that I can teach you trading. Like, I am not profitable. If I was profitable, and maybe you can just take on what I'm doing right now and finalize yourself and make decision on your own. But I recommend make a research. I really recommend if you make a research. But if you have any questions, drop them below. It's cool. I will be replying to them. I don't mind. I'm bored. So even trading, I'm trading because of I'm bored. Bottom is real. I'm telling you, bottom is real in trading. But depends how you handle it. But to me, it's fine. And also here we have a fair value gap here, and this other block. But we shall see what happens, Sharon. We shall see. We shall see. On the next video, I'm making an update on Friday, but I think I will be consistent with YouTube, but I don't know how. But I will be consistent on YouTube soon, and also on TikTok, everywhere. So support the boy. With all that being said, yeah, I think I'm done. I'm done. Have a great day, guys. You know, it's life. It's life. It's life. It's life.